I'm coming to you live on 8/18/2026. I am doing a hit recap from our 2026 Topps Chrome Baseball Mega Box 10 box break number 1. Guys, this is going to show the X Fractors, numbered cards, and autos. Here we go. Bryce Eldridge to 275. John Rooney rookie auto for Houston. Christopher Sanchez to 50 for the Phillies. Bo Bichette to 99. Riley Green to 150. Julio to 199. Taylor Ward to 199. And Chase DeLauder to 199. All right, X-Fractor. Jimmy Crooks. Jordan. Painter. Stowers. Davis. Freeland. Corey Seager. Morales. Riley. Williams, Cole, Bailey, Langoliers, Young Ho Lee, Joe Ryan, Giancarlo. Chase again. Denzel Clark, Aaron Judge, Sal Stewart, Willard Abreu. Suzuki, Clement, Kafis, Pasquantino, Pena, Basallo, Churio, Green, Harrison Bader, Troy Melton, Cole Young, Lars Nootbaar, George Springer, Kazuma Akamoto, Shane Smith, Bubba Chandler, Ryan Jeffers, Logan Gilbert, Colby Thomas, Nolan McLean, Max Muncy, Colson Montgomery. King, Bieber, Swanson, Rosarina, Toole, Suarez, McLean, Valera, Tatis Jr., Bader, Green, Melton, Nootbaar, Marte, Flores, Teal, Bichette, Eldridge, Bell, Warming, Barnable, Casey, Gore, Reagans, Aranda, Imai, Moreno, Maxwell, Horner, Karros, Cal Raleigh, Brady House, Yasavage rookie, Kikuchi, Messick, Tucker, Otto Kemp, Chase Dollander, Drew Gilbert, Jazz Chisholm, Chanel, The Miz, Tyler Ward, Luke Weaver, Jackson Holiday, Dalen Lilly, Eugenio Suarez, Chase Burns, Paul Skeens, Brooks Lee, Seth Lugo, Drew Rasmussen, Marcelo Mayer, Herberto Hernandez, Harry Ford, Zach Nito, Devin Williams, and Hunter Goodman. All right, guys, appreciate you filling it up. Get it shipped out in the next shipping batch. More baseball on the site.